We're on a hike in sugarcane fields. Got my Taurus right there. He's ready with his shoes and his hat. Got some other tourists along with me on their hike. Wanted to check out the sugarcane fields.
I wonder if it tastes yummy.
Give it a taste.
Get into
They
some
are
of that green
yummy,
and
eh?
chew on it. Get into some green.
Whoa! Okay, taste the top. This.
Okay, here I come. Coming in. Delicious.
Have we figured out where the best parts are?
What have we found over here, sir? What do you got?
Some sugar cane.
Can I have the sugar?
Okay, let's see if at the very top it's sweet.
It's not.
Is it like green sugar?
Whoa.
Not ripe yet?
Can I have
The cave, the rain's
Here we
coming.
go.
Go! Run, 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 everybody! This is the heart of the sugar cane. Very sweet.
It's way sweet.
How is it, everybody?
Good. This is way sweet. The sugar is like celery.
Celery sweet. It's like
Whoa, that's sweet.
That's of water. Sugar
I
water.
did. Oh my gosh.
It's like
Isn't
a
that
mouthful
crazy?
of sugar.
I never. Oh, that's cool.
That's